Have you ever said something in anger and then felt really bad after? Have you ever cried and didn't even know why? That's not weakness. That's your brain losing control. Today, I'll show you how to take that control back in just 3 simple steps. Every day, something happens that makes you angry, scared, or sad. And in that moment, your brain panics. It stops thinking clearly. It just reacts. That's why you say things you don't mean. That's why you make decisions you regret. Your emotions took the wheel, and you were just sitting in the passenger seat. But it doesn't have to be this way. Step 1. Wait 6 seconds. When you feel angry or upset, don't speak. Don't move. Just breathe and count to 6 in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Why does this work? Because scientists found that the emotional wave in your brain lasts only 6 seconds. After that, your thinking brain comes back online. 6 seconds can save a friendship. 6 seconds can save your job. 6 seconds can change your life. Step 2. Give your emotion a name. When something happens, just say to yourself, I am feeling angry right now, or I am feeling scared right now. That's all. When you name your emotion, your brain actually calms down. This is proven by science, because when you name it, you stop being the emotion, you start watching it, and that small distance changes everything. Step 3. Use the stop method. S. Stop what you are doing. T. Take 1 deep breath. O. Observe. What am I feeling right now? What am I thinking? P. Proceed. Now act with a calm mind. Stop, breathe, observe, proceed. Do this every time emotions hit you hard, and slowly, your brain will learn a new habit, the habit of responding, not reacting. Now, I want to be clear about something. Controlling your emotions does not mean hiding them. It does not mean pretending to be okay when you're not. It means you feel everything, but you decide what to do with that feeling. A wise man once said, between what happens to you and how you respond, there is a small space. That space is your power. Protect that space. So, this week, try one thing. Every time you feel a strong emotion, pause, take a breath, count to 6, and then decide how to respond. Just 7 days, that's all I'm asking. If this video helped you, please like it. Subscribe to MotiveMind Imran for more videos like this every week. And tell me in the comments, which emotion is hardest for you to control? I'll see you in the next video. Stay calm, stay strong, stay in control.